we're experiencing a snowstorm. I don't even have a sidewalk here anymore. Look at how pretty it is outside though. There's a sidewalk here, I know it. That's how tall the snow is. It's in my boots. Look at this. It's so pretty though. Yeah. It's March. And we're having a great big snowfall. It goes into my house. Yeah. It's kind of chilly too. It's supposed to go on all day. Yep, 7:40 a.m. and it's still snowy. I gotta do some shoveling. There's my path from 5 a.m. It's covered. Yeah. Okay. For someone in their 60s who has health issues, this is what I've done. Yep. I did that. Now I gotta find a way out to the main sidewalk. Okay, I did what I could here. I got us out to the main sidewalk. I hope they have somebody that'll come clean it soon. Because, yikes. Now, this is as tall as me. Now I have to go and sit down. We're getting more snow, so I didn't want to be totally stuck in. That's not bad, hey? Got all the way out here. I did that.